Hello my friend and welcome to my channel. Today I've got some Color Street nail wraps and I'm going to stamp on them. My good friend Monique sent me these again. I will leave a link for her down below, and it came with some extra goodies, you know, a cuticle pusher and two more of the blinged out nail wraps. And it's got just the most pretty brochure. It's got all the colors in it and prices and stuff. So like I said, I will leave a link for her down below for you to go check it out if you're interested. I know a lot of people love these things. They don't ever paint their nails anymore. And the brochure also does have a very detailed description of how you're supposed to do these. Let's see if I can follow the directions. So she sent me these pink ones. It's got a nail file in there, an alcohol wipe, and it came in this cute little package. So first I'm going to get out the little alcohol wipe and I'm going to rub down all of my nails. Get them nice and clean. And I've picked out the ones that I think will fit my nail, or each nail. Let's put it that way. Okay, I'm trying to get this little thing to peel off of here. There we go. Now I've used these before and you know I had pretty good luck with them. This set right here I was struggling, but I do think I was having kind of an off day. I don't blame the product, I'm pretty much blaming me. But I'm pulling it, trying to stretch it over the nail, and then I'm going to smooth it down with my finger. Got that cuticle pusher, there we go, get smart girl. And I'm going to run it around and try to mush it down and make sure that it's as flat as it's going to get. Try to get any wrinkles out and that sort of thing. I do have a little bit of a gap on the side, but it didn't really bother me for wearing these because, you know, sometimes when people paint their nails, that's how they do it. They leave a little bit of a gap on the side. I know when I used to go get my nails done, the girl always left gaps on both sides and up around the cuticle. So we've got the first one on, and I'm going to go in after I did the filing to get off the excess off the end. I'm going around the edge of this with a little bit of acetone and my cleanup brush. And it pretty much cleans up just like if I'd painted my nails. So there we go. Looking pretty good over my bumpy nails. I do have some bumpy nails. So I would probably benefit from like the blingy ones or, you know, something like that. So again, you peel off the backing. There's a clear one on it too that you got to pull off, but then you peel off the backing and then you tear off the tab. Now this one, I thought I got it on here pretty good. I did pretty good. Got it to the sides and everything. There we go. And I'm rubbing it just like I did the other one, going around with that little tool and using the soft cuticle pusher end to really make sure that one's on there. And I did pretty good until I go to clean up, and then I kind of mess up, which is how the stamping came about. I was trying to cover up my boo-boo. Because, you know, sometimes we get a little impatient. So I'm filing across the end, and there's where the boo-boo happened. I was being impatient, so don't be like me. I do end up trying to patch this because, you know, I want to show you how I manage things when I run into problems like this. I mean, you wouldn't want to spend money on a set of nail wraps and then have this happen. So I'm taking a piece of one of the other ones and I'm just kind of splicing it in. And you know, I probably could have pulled out another nail wrap to use, but I thought, let's just see if this will work. And it does work. I mean, you can still see that I've got a boo-boo on it, but it's nothing that just jumps out at you. So I'm filing the rest of that down. Plus I got to use some of the excess from one of the other wraps, you know. I just felt like, you know, use what you got. So there we go. I did get that fixed. And we're going to finish off this nail here, the index fingernail. And like the other ones, I'm just smoothing. And that little cuticle tool that she sent me is really soft. And so it made doing that part of it easier because it was so soft. I didn't feel like it was jabbing my cuticles. And there we go, a better view of the filing action that you do. This is how you get it off the end there. Did better on this one, I didn't tear it. And I'm smoothing that down a little bit more. And I apologize for the neighbor's dog barking. Nothing I can do about him. He's not mine. And I am doing it like when I do decals, when I make stamp decals. I'm just going around the edge, kind of melting it to the nail, and tap, tap, tap in, trying to get up any excess. And there is a little bit under there. So we can get that off there without doing any damage. So I really do like these nail wraps. You know, like I've told you in the last video, the nail wraps don't really like me. But I've had much better luck with the Color Street ones. I don't know if they're more pliable. I don't know if they're made different. But they've definitely been better than any of the other ones I've tried. So I'm definitely a fan. I'll be using Twirls and Swirls 01 today by Lena. And this Born Pretty Hot Pink. And I've got my Conad Stamper and my Clear Jelly Scraper out today. So if you ever do a boo-boo on something like this, and you're just really not in the mood to totally redo it, just do something like this. Stamp over it. Add some bling. Do whatever you feel like you can do to carry on. Because I definitely wanted to wear these. I didn't want them to be wasted. I wanted to actually get to wear them and get some use out of them and enjoy it. So stamping's what saved it for me today. There we go. Cleaning off on that lint roller real quick and cleaning that plate off with some pure acetone. We're just going to continue on. And my thumb is naked because I'm having to do something with it. I'm having to put a little patch on it, so it had to just wait. So here we are. I'm going to go in with a piece of tape and get up some of this excess polish from around my finger as much as I can. And then I'm going to use my acetone with Acetone Additive to do the rest of the cleaning up with my cleanup brush. There we go. Up underneath for sure. I'm going to top it with the Maniology Smudge Free Top Coat. Get it to seal in. And then now I'm going to top it with Seche Vite. And then we're done. So like I said, I will leave a link for Monique down below. Please go check her out. And I would love to hear what you think about this. Leave me a comment down below. I want to thank you for watching. Until next time, be good to yourself.